Just outside my hotel you can just find these all nice roads and a nice I don't know if it's a home, but then it looks like the lake is just a walkable distance, and the hotel person said I should not pay more than 2000 Sri Lankan rupees for a tuk-tuk to the center of the city. So we'll just see how much they ask. Let's say if I say I'm coming from India, they might charge something like 500 rupees, isn't it? But then you can see these beautiful buildings all the way. See, nicely newly wrapped buildings. More importantly, I want to show you the Kandy Lake, how close it is from this particular hotel, Fortuna Heritage Home. You don't want to miss, isn't it? The next time you come to Sri Lanka, that's your spot. Okay, almost hit by a car. Okay. You can see these nice tuk-tuks. I think we might be using something like this. Some more tourists. Beautiful place, isn't it? Okay, that's Hotel SUSSC. Pretty much costly, I think it should be. Okay. I don't know if you can see the fishes, but then you see this Komodo, the bigger one. I don't want to slide and fall into that, isn't it? I think it's waiting for fish. Or I think you can see the fishes, the color fishes. It's a huge one, isn't it? Okay. You see the view of this place with all the trees and the hotels. Something you don't want to miss in this lifetime, isn't it? And see, opposite to the road you find even more beautiful places, all filled with trees. Tree. Gigantic, big tree. When was the last time you saw a tree like this? Big one. See all these beautiful buildings on the side of the road. And here comes the bus with all the design. And you can see this SLT Mobitel. Perhaps you can buy a SIM card if you want to get a SIM card and use here. And I see the autos are much more colorful in bright red color. Just on the opposite you find those magnificent, I don't know what is that, magnificent buildings, magnificent trees, and all are nice for you to come and explore, isn't it? Can you see the Komodo just behind the dead fish? Perhaps it's catch of the day. I think it's not advisable to go any closer, but then it doesn't like me showing some camera to its face. You can see the Kandy city center. I think this is the main chowk for this place. I think you can see the Sri Lankan Airlines and the temple, and you can just see the lake all the way through. Perhaps we'll just go to the temple and take a local bus or something, or a tuk-tuk, and explore some other place nearby, isn't it? That's a better place. That's a better thing than having a planned trip where you know everything where you want to go. It's almost there's no exploration in it, no element of surprise. So the element of surprise brings you the best experience, isn't it? Just we are about to enter the temple, and then we are already gagged up by a it's magnificent and clean, and it's a must visit for everyone, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So we are not allowed to take video at many places and don't want to talk. Very nice. To get a view of the architecture of this particular temple. Okay, so I think that's the exit. You can see the sunlight, so there should be no doubt about it. So there will be more videos on my travel around Sri Lanka, so please stay tuned, and better yet subscribe and click the bell button option all to see my new video updates. Thanks for watching.